Dell Latitude 7390 is its matte touchscreen display, with its thin bezels and vivid colors. You'll also be impressed by its long battery life and fast performance. However, the Latitude, $1,199 to start, $1,899 as tested, is a mixed bag. The computer's keyboard and speakers both leave much to be desired, the rest of the design is feeling dramatically old, and the fans sometimes run for seemingly no reason at all. If you can accept these drawbacks, you'll be rewarded with a powerful, long-lasting business laptop. Design. The entire Latitude lineup needs a serious makeover, and the 7390 is no exception. It's slightly more visually interesting than its sibling, the 7392 in 1, because of its carbon fiber, soft touch lid. It adds a bit of texture to what's otherwise a black square with a silver Dell logo. Lifting the lid reveals a 13.3-inch, 1080p display with a thin bezel, and the plasticky deck features an island-style keyboard and a fingerprint reader. Wobbled. Specifically, the left-hand side on the wrist rest and the right-hand side by the display acted like a seesaw, especially while typing. Dell confirmed that the one we received was a production model, just like what's out there for people to buy, but said that this is a rare occurrence. The company sent us a second model, which does not have the same issue. Security and durability. Aside from our issue with the wobbling review unit, Dell claims the Latitude is quite durable. Its MIL-STD810G tested against extreme temperatures, humidity, vibrations, and shock, so it should be fine in a carry-on during a bumpy flight. Display. The 13.3-inch, 1080p touchscreen on the Latitude is vivid, though some others are brighter. When I watched the trailer for Venom, I could see the faint red flush in Tom Hardy's cheeks, accentuated by the blue light coming from New York storefronts reflected on him during a nighttime scene.